Hey, I'm on the first level, right after the first grind rail. Okay. Take out your razor claws and find a little metal pole like that and climb up it by doing a high jump and then zoom circle, high jump circle, high jump circle. Until you get to a platform right here. And there will be an invisible wall right here. Ooh. And climb up that. It'll look kind of funny. You can freak out your friends. Tell them, oh my gosh, I'm climbing a wall. Holy moly. And eventually you'll be standing on normal air. Wow. Oh, geez. Now, you might fall. If you do, just land on that little doorway thing and then climb back up until you get to up here and get on that thing. Go to the other diving board and you can fly down to here. And if you want, you can try to kill these guys. They don't die. I emptied an entire clip of rhino on them. Nothing. And then you can climb up here. Second of all, there is... And then you can try to go over here. I don't know if I've done it yet. Oh, yeah, you fall. Don't try it. Don't do that. But you can do everything else that I did. Thanks. Hey, I'm on Festoon on my first try. So everything's daytime and I should be getting my ship, but I didn't feel like it right now. Go over to this huge column thing in the middle and climb up it until you get to the tippy top and glide down. Okay. Now pull out your razor claws and climb up that wall or column thing in the middle and climb up it until you get to the tippy top and glide down. Okay. Now pull out your razor claws and climb up that wall right there. And eventually you'll hit an invisible wall. Keep climbing it. It's fun. But eventually you'll start to zip down. Oh crap. If you fall, try to climb a wall so you don't like die. Okay? Now, you should be here like a really long time from now, but if you're me, you don't have to be. So you can go up here. No matter where you go, there will be no enemies. And don't ask why, but your razor claws get really funky up here. They kind of drag behind you. Weird. Okay. Keep going on the grav ramp until you get to the bottom. And then wait for it. Zip through here. Nothing. Nothing in here. No tripods. And look, an invisible floor. Creepy. Here, you should be fighting Tachyon, but you're not. I kind of wish you would be here. That'd be cool. Yeah, don't worry about falling in those holes. You won't. And look at my claws right there. Yeah, creepy. Okay. Now, you're gonna have to jump out at a wall, jump, and climb it. And you'll get up here. And you can look out at the edge of the universe. Yay. Gotta love that. Now fly over here. And let's see here. Okay. Now you can go back, or do whatever you want here. I don't really care. And go on the amazing long grab ramp of death. Dum-dee-dum-dee-dum-dum-dum. Yep. Getting there, don't worry. And look at that, ground. Wow. Okay. Then fly back to over here. And you can run on the little trail of rocks right there, if you want. And then get back. And thanks a bunch.